We like to start Health Connection segments with definitions. What is bronchiectasis?
Well, bronchiectasis is a condition that involves the bronchial tubes, which are the tubes that go into the lungs that carry the air into the lungs, in which those tubes are distorted and inflamed so that instead of the bronchial tube having a nice smooth taper, getting smaller and smaller as it gets farther out into the lungs, it develops areas where there are sac-like dilatations, we call them. And so the mucus that's normally produced in the lung and is normally carried out of the lung is kind of stuck there in these pools, and these pools of mucus then are not cleared out normally, and so they can get chronically infected and cause chronic inflammation and scarring of the bronchial tubes, and that's what is bronchiectasis.
How does it differ from other lung diseases that we've discussed on Health Connection, like chronic bronchitis and pulmonary fibrosis and other lung diseases?
Well, pulmonary fibrosis is a scarring that actually involves the lung tissue itself, and bronchiectasis is scarring that's in the bronchial tubes.
Okay.
Now, that's similar in a way to chronic bronchitis or COPD, except that in those conditions you don't have these dilated sac-like structures in the bronchial tubes. You've got more problems with generalized irritation and narrowing that causes problems with getting enough air flowing through. Here in bronchiectasis, the main problem is the thick mucus that causes chronic infection and makes the patient have a lot of chronic coughing, and that's the main symptom that they have, is the chronic cough and recurrent infections.